So this is a lead capture page, a dynamic one, which means I need only one such page in order to promote anything. So anything on the internet is a lead magnet. So here how it works. Here you have the default page. It just says welcome to my contact list. To receive your welcome gift, please enter your email address and press continue. Okay, so you see this image is just artificially generated image of a face, so it can be anyone. I could use another things which makes a cat or an abstract art piece, whatever. We can put your photo here, doesn't matter, because this is a default page and it's hardly being used. Most often we will use it to promote, for instance, this to promote a link. So the page here, the picture is of the link. This is a link to google.com, but it could be from a blog article to any site, and it will have the image here. And here you can change the title dynamically also. So you could say go to Google, but by default this link is reserved to my contacts. To access this link, please add your email address to my contact list and press continue. Also, you can use it with YouTube videos. So any YouTube videos don't have to be yours, and you send people to watch this video. So the page takes the title of the video, the thumbnails of the video, and also the name of the channel, and he puts it here, so you don't have to do anything. This all happens in the URL of the page. When you put the link to this page, you add the ID of the YouTube video or the link to a page, and this lead capture page will change depending on what you have given. And if you give nothing, you have the default page, so this one. So you see, the lead magnet is the things you send people to. From your Facebook profile, you say, oh, just watch this video about this. You send the link not to the video on YouTube, but to this capture page. And then they see this and they want to watch it because they already have clicked on your link on Facebook to watch it. They go to this page, they want to watch it, they put their email address and they continue. What happens after? Once they continue, they go to another page with a button and which says click on this button to see what you wanted. And so this button is dynamic. It knows what the visitor was looking for. So in this case, it was the video on YouTube, this one. So the button on the next page will have the link to YouTube to see this video. This is the ID. It works for any link. And yes, but so now that we have established this, the good things about this is that this is a magic funnel. If you know BUILDERALL, so this is made with BUILDERALL, of course, but it's a magic funnel. So when people enter their email address, they immediately get a free BUILDERALL account, and they are also added into my email list, and then they go to the next page. So what is interesting with this is that on the next page you have the dynamic button to get to the destination, but also you can talk about the gift you have given them, which is a free BUILDERALL account, so they can try it and see if they like it. So you know, on the next page you have the gift that you give to everyone who enter into your contact list, and of course they start to receive emails that you have set up in Mailing Boss 5 in the email sequence. So you know, everything is fine with this. It's a good way to do even rapid profit machine. You know, rapid profit machine, maybe I will show you in another video how to set up in such a way that as soon as you open a free BUILDERALL account to someone, then they also get added into the lead list of RPM, of rapid profit machine. So they get as a gift both things. They are already integrated into BUILDERALL and they are started in RPM, which, as you know, RPM works best with BUILDERALL to handle the email marketing and also to have a digital platform to do things for promoting RPM. You know, it's all is tangled together. It's connected. Like on the picture, neural link. It's all connecting minds and connecting software, products, so Builderall, RPM, and this leads capture page. Because you want to grow your own mailing list, but also you want to have more leads for Builderall and more leads for Rapid Profit Machine. So you do all at once with this page, which is dynamic, so you can use the same page for anything you want. You don't have to create lead magnets, because the World Wide Web is full of lead magnets. So you can use this, and I suggest you do. So you can contact me if you want it, or you can do it yourself if you know how to do it. But there is a little bit of code inside, which you can see. It's not hidden, it's in the source code. So you go to build and roll, like rock and roll, you know, buildandroll.com. You see this page, you look at the source, you can see the script. It's all JavaScript, so it's all written in the page. Bye bye. This is the thank you page, the page where you go once you have entered your email on the dynamic capture page that I showed you in the previous video. So this is a thank you page. Something that I didn't mention last time, it is that this magic capture page just ask the visitor email address once. If this visitor has already given his email address to see a YouTube video or a link, he will not have to give it again. The magic capture page just redirect to this thank you page immediately. And so this button, the continue button, has always a link to what you send people to. For instance, on your Facebook profile, you say, oh, just watch this video, and you send with a link to the capture page. If this person who clicks has already given previously 1 day or 1 month before, he has already given his email address, he doesn't see the capture page. He sees immediately this one. So he clicks, congratulations, just one more click to continue. And when he clicks on continue, he will go to the YouTube video that you gave in your Facebook post. But also, he says, but please do not leave this page without grabbing your 2 gifts. What are the 2 gifts? It's Builderall, because as I told you, the lead capture page opens a free Builderall account. So he has already, the visitor already has a Builderall account. And they say your voice on internet, so for Builderall, sign in with your email address and your password, I love Builderall. Because when the account has been created, the password, the default password, is always I love Builderall. So when they click on sign in, they go directly to the back office of Builderall. They are already connected. Because the account is opened, they are connected in this browser. But if they want to log out and log in again, they know what is their password, which they can change anyway. So this is the first gift, and the second gift is RPM. So I say, sign in with your email address and your favorite password. Because on the lead capture page, since they open a Builderall account, I made an automation that all my Builderall leads also are signed up in Rapid Profit Machine with my affiliate link. So they are already in both systems, but for RPM, you can do more. You can also subscribe to the members area. You can buy RPM or you can buy other products. It's not only one product, it's a suite of products. So I send them again to not a capture page because they are already in the system, but to the page where you can open your membership area, where in fact the funnel, you know, the following of the funnel after the capture page of RPM. It's a VSL link. So that's the one I use inside here. If you know RPM, you know what I'm talking about. And so they go through the funnel for the first time for them, because they never went to RPM. They just went to my capture page, and this opened them two more accounts, and also subscribe them to my mailing list. For my main mailing list, I mean the one I use in BUILDERALL, my site. I have a mailing list for this, and also I have a mailing list for my BUILDERALL leads, and also I have a mailing list for my RPM leads. Okay, so this person is in one, they give their email address one time, and they are in my free list number 3. Okay, so in all those lists they don't talk about the same thing, but you know, they talk so immediately. That's why at the bottom I say, also do not forget to check your email. I have just sent you a message, because of course they will receive messages from my mailing boss. So when I will just show you what happened when they see it. The first time there is some animation, you know, it looks nice, and this button is always the one they want to click to continue. So day to day you always talk about things, but you always send links which goes through your magic capture page, so that new people, new visitors who click, they have to enter their email address, and the one who follow you already, so they have already given you their email address, they just click and they come to this page, and they can continue to whatever you were talking about this day. But they always have the links to the gifts they got when they first enter their email address, the BUILDERALL back office, and here the start of the RPM funnel. So they can always go back to those 2 gifts, and you promote day to day, you promote YouTube videos, links to sites that you have seen, and you know, this link to your magic capture page, you should always put them, if you have a YouTube channel, always put them at the first line of the description, so that every video that you publish on your YouTube channel, they act as a source of passive traffic to your magic capture page, and so to your BUILDERALL leads and RPM leads also. You know, so you should always use the links with an S to your magic capture page for everything you do online. From when you start to use this system, you always send people with links that go first to your magic capture page. And remember that if they have already given their email address, they don't have to give it again. They go directly to this page. So it's not a problem to do that. That's it. Bye bye. So this is the dashboard. Here you can enter any link, google.com or YouTube link, and you see that at the bottom the link to your magic lead capture page is updated. So that's what you will share on your Facebook or YouTube video descriptions. Here you can put a title, so you know it is added to the link, so it will be used in the title of the lead capture page. Same for the description. So once you have it, you just right click and copy link, or you just click here, copy to dashboard, or here to share it on Facebook. And this last link is just to reset your browser in case you made a test and you cannot see your magic lead capture page again, because of the system, you know, that asks the email address only once. So this is the way to reset it. And that's it for this dashboard page.